Oh, oh. Yeah. It's there. I put you guys that are right in here. I never go. I shot him. There's a fight in the right key. I could, I put your play clear. Oh! Okay. Oh! God, I shot him. He was a play, guys. He was playing in a wrecky. I could answer. Don't pick a play plan. Where behind me? I thought it's gonna be. Oh no. What the? Ah. Woo! Rip. This bull is in here, and I have a key. Yeah, there. I broke the blue. Whoa! Over the chest. Oh! You guys are good, but I drop it down. It's what I thought. After you want to show what is supposed to up and I go like, what the? No! Wait a minute. Oh, come on. It's like rat. Rich for that. Ah, what? Ah, what? Oh. Oh, how do I get in that? I was just gonna use the plug. I don't know what anything is. I was just restarted. Ah! I get it. They did that backwards, which is the boss babies. On 3 hut. Let's go die. You gonna die. I would die. Let me see how you die. This last time. It's almost. Until I have it at flames. I don't play that way. That will win. Bop, bop, bop. I'm a bit fine though. Oh. It didn't work. Fletcher. That's not Jamie gonna die. Okay. This stuff is not. Game over. Got a bubble key. Bubble right. Oh boy. Try.
Oh gosh, I believe the infected got the alien. My order was to turn it off, but he might need your help. I'm sorry. Working with all his substances. But he hadn't got fit this much.
I must be fine though. Choice! Oh! Bro, you gotta speak up, bring you some more teamwork. Literally, check up and do that shit. This just does all like disappeared. It went off you the other side. You are not. Oh my god. It's just. Uh, up. Yes. Ah! I didn't got that! I didn't got that! I died so quick! Okay.